It's MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this amazing wig from divatress.com. I have all the information below, as well as a couple coupon codes for you. So go get that coupon, save some money, right? Let's just get into this one. This is a wig that I've actually been really excited to try. This extreme blunt cut. Wow, look how extreme that is. That's pretty crazy, and I felt like I needed to do it. So this is also by the brand Sis, Sister Wig, Zury. And it is in the Slay collection. I believe how you pronounce this name of this wig is Shasha. And the color that I have chose is the Sombre RTDK Selfie. So this comes in literally an array of beautiful colors. I will leave a link up here for another wig by this brand that I really loved in this beautiful blue, almost like an oil slick. I'll leave that up here because I talk about this color in that video, because that wig came in this color. Let's talk about this beautifully, wow, just eye-popping purple pink wig. Look how vibrant this is. I mean, this is really something else. I mean, I haven't seen anything like this, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just, this color I have to have it, right? I mean, I love purple. I love my purple lip. I'm gonna go with it. So we're gonna see if I can actually pull this type of look off. We'll see. All right, so let's talk about the construction of the wig. So there's actually two clips right up in the front, and then there is one clip right in the back with the fasteners to fasten it to your head. You know, tighten it, loosen it, whatever you need to do. So let's get this guy on. So I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon.com. I will have the link below, of course, as well as everything else. If you have long hair, you're of course gonna have to pin it, twist it, braid it, do whatever you need to do to have your hair all underneath this wig cap. Okay, so I think I'm all good here. So let's do it. Let's do this moment of truth, because what I will talk about is that this wig, being the style it is, you can only wear it really down the center. So I am not really a center kind of gal, but I probably just need to get over it and just do it, right? So, okay, let's put this on. Wow, I mean, look at this color. Look at it. Oh my gosh. It is just so beautiful. Beautiful. How fun is this? So like I mentioned, I'm normally not a center kind of gal, but do you guys think I can pull this off? What do you guys think? Can you pull it off? Do you already have this wig? Do you have this style wig in another color brand? I'd love to know about it. So this is it. I really, you know, I do really dig it. You know, as I'm putting it on right now, I'm feeling a little bit more comfortable with the center part. You know, sometimes you're like, just get over it, Carly. Just get over it and just try something different, right? So what I really love about this style of wig, I generally have a lot of wigs that are very full. So this is like super sleek and just light. I mean, they're all light, but this one just feels super light because it is just so straight. And I mean, my hair, I mean, no matter basically with a wig. My hair would never do what these wigs are doing for me. That's why I absolutely love it. So I could, I'm sure, professionally have my hair straightened like this. And since I have naturally curly hair, my hair would start to like start bending and twisting and start doing all sorts of things within like 1 hour. So this is something that, man, I mean, I couldn't create this if I even tried, let alone this color. So I really do like it. I feel actually it doesn't really shed a lot at all. I feel it's very light on the shedding. Something I will talk about too, let's say I was like, I can't wear it down the center. I just can't do it. Let's say I was like that. So of course I was messing with it when I first got it, you know, messing with it like down one side of the part. So let's say, you know, I wanted to commit to this side. You know what, all I would do was just go to my hairdresser and have her cut it. I mean, it's hair. I mean, it's synthetic hair, but for the fact of it's just hair, you would have, if you don't like a wig or if it's a little too long or a little what you don't like it, take it to your hairdresser and have her cut it to your liking. So that's the beauty of it. So I think I'm really gonna try it down the middle, try it down the center. What do you guys think? Let me know. I want to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Can you pull this off? I think you can. I think I can too. So again, this wig is from divatrust.com. Please check it out. All the information is down below, as well as the coupon code. So go get this wig, give it a try, maybe another crazy color, and just have fun. Have fun, guys. And we will see you soon. Bye.